Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play in the Air Lab on guitar. First, ensure your guitar is tuned to standard EAD-GB. Next, select a clean amplifier tone, adding just a touch of reverb to create that ethereal atmosphere. Finally, position your left hand comfortably on the fretboard, ready for smooth chord transitions and precise note articulation. This foundational setup is crucial for capturing the song's unique sound. The main riff of In the Air Lab often utilizes open strings alongside a few carefully fretted notes, creating its distinctive melodic texture. The primary chord progression typically cycles through a minor, G major, C major, and F major. Focus on achieving seamless transitions between these four chords, ensuring each change is fluid and precise. This consistent practice will build your muscle memory and improve your overall playing accuracy. To truly bring In the Air Lab to life, pay close attention to dynamics and expression. Vary your picking attack from soft to firm to create compelling dynamic contrasts throughout the piece. Introduce subtle vibrato on sustained notes to add emotional depth and character. Additionally, use palm muting sparingly for percussive accents, adding rhythmic drive without overpowering the melody. These elements elevate your performance. For effective practice, always start slowly with a metronome to build accuracy and timing. Once comfortable, gradually increase your speed. Experiment with different strumming patterns or arpeggiated approaches to discover new textures and interpretations. Most importantly, listen intently to the original recording to internalize the song's unique feel, rhythm, and overall atmosphere. Consistent, mindful practice will significantly enhance your performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.